All right, I'm doing a video today where I'm shooting Firebird 65 targets. I have one set up down there on that rock. And yeah, and they're really loud. They're 3 times louder than a slug gun, so they're really loud. And I'm gonna be wearing ear protection. So yeah, I'm using a Gamma Wildcat Whisper. Video quality is not the best because, well, filming on a phone and I'm by myself. So I'll just give you, well, I don't need them on now, but I'll be right back. You won't be able to see me. I'm going to get my pellet. So I'm using standard 177, 7.56 grains. And I'll just show you how loud the pellet gun is, because it's supposed to be a whisper and it has that little built-in suppressor on it. So I'll show you how loud it is. Pretty basic. It's about 30 pounds to cock back. It's not that bad. 30 pounds sounds like a lot, but so you could see me. See? All right, it's not that loud, but when you do put it on those, it is loud. So you won't be able to see me when I'm shooting it, but I'm gonna put you let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, so I'll have to figure out how I'm going to do this because I don't film YouTube videos very much. This is my second one, and thank you for 3 subs. I may just have to hold it. Alright, so got our pellet gun, and here we go. So I'm going to be sitting on a Bobcat just in case something ricochets or something happens. So, these are very loud. Okay, so I have put you in a position where you could probably be able to see. And let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, that's pretty good. And I'm gonna go get set up. I'm gonna get set up, and I'm gonna shoot. Alright, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. Alright, here we go. Hang on. It's loud. Oh, I was high. Sorry, I'm having a little struggles here. I'm on a struggle bus. It didn't go off. I may have to hit it again. So you guys can see me. I did hit it, but I didn't hit it center. I have to hit it center for it to go off. Hopefully I get it good. Reload. And also to confirm, this is legal. I'm in Illinois right now. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's a lot better. Hopefully I get it to go off. Okay, I am a little high, so I'll have to aim a little low. And I may have to get a fresh one because it just may not be. I hit it, but it just won't go off. I'll have to get a new one. Yeah, I have to get a new one. It's completely broke. Hopefully this time we'll get it to blow up. Because the one I got before was sick footage. Not footage, because I didn't get it on camera. And in a brand new one, hopefully this one will explode. I hit it right in the middle. Oh, and if you want to know where to get these, so I think my dad got these from me. My dad got these for me for Christmas. I think he got them off of like Amazon or something. But how we got them, well, how I knew about them is I watched American Air Gunner because I like air guns, and he had them on there, and they're really cool. All right, here we go. Let me get in a better shooting position because I missed that time completely. Hopefully this time we'll get one to blow up. Oh my goodness, come on. I nailed it. Guys, I didn't even hit it. I nicked it like the side, and it just made it flip. But this pellet is rated for 1300 with alloy pellets. I'm using lead. It's shooting about 900 to 1,000 feet per second, which is very fast for a pellet gun. And I love Gamma pellet guns. They're really nice, quality made. I know it says precision, adult precision air guns, but no, I'm not an adult, but I still shoot them. Sorry that camera fell, but I got it, get it to explode. Let me wait for this car to pass so they don't think I'm shooting at them. So, I mean, these cars are weird on this road. Right. I gotta get in the better. Comfortable. Let me put it right on the juice. There we go, baby. Those things are awesome. Those things are the best. All right, see you next time when I make a video.